Hello and Namaste from Troopers Group. This is the story of Mr. Mrigendra Pradhananga, a third generation Juju Dhau Maker, a native businessman of Bhaktapur. He is a 52-year-old who has been making Juju Dhau since his youth. The production of Juju Dhau is his family business. His father and grandfather worked in the same industry, which inspired him to follow in their footsteps. He gets up at 4 in the morning and starts his work of making Juju Dhau at around 6. Most of the people today use machines to make Juju Dhau, but Mr. Pradhananga still prefers the traditional way. Juju Dhau is used in almost every ritual of the Newari community, along with ghee, milk, honey and sugar. Dhau is one of the core components of Panchamrit, 5 nectars of the god, and is offered as a sagun with beaten rice, fruit and sweets. During the high season, Mr. Pradhananga sells almost 300 liters of Juju Dhau each day. Most of the Juju Dhau makers use buffalo milk as it gives a richer taste and texture. The main ingredients of Juju Dhau are milk and sugar. Mr. Pradhananga uses a clean, heavy-bottomed pot to boil the milk in 100-degree heat. He stirs it constantly to avoid it sticking to the pot until the milk thickens. After that, he puts the boiled milk in a clay pot and waits until it cools down to approximately 40 degrees. Traditionally, the fingers were used to check the heat of the milk, but now he uses modern equipment to determine it accurately. The clay pot is kept in the rice mask to maintain the temperature, and after the temperature is maintained, old curd known as dahi kobyu is added. After that, he covers it with another empty clay pot and wraps it with a blanket from top to bottom to maintain the warm temperature for the Juju Dhau to get a fine finish and leave it overnight. If you ever want to get an authentic taste of Juju Dhau, you know where to go for a delicious scoop.